everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make pizza. So this is what we use, and to make your dough, you have to put in a half a cup of water, but we use 2 because we're going to make more, and 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and then you cook you have to mix all that together, and you put your oven on 475 degrees. We're making mini pizzas, and you start with the mini pans. And also make sure that you just you squish your dough out all the way to the ends. And let me show you how you do that. And if your hands get sticky, then you can put a little bit of flour on your hands to make it less sticky. And you want to make sure to do it all the way around, and I will get back to you once all these pizzas are made.
2,000 years later.
Now that we have our dough in all the pans, we're going to punch them with the fork. And done. Now we're going to put them in the oven at 475 and wait for them to get nice and brown. Now that we have all our pizzas made and brown, we're going to take this. We're going to have your classico sauce, stir it up, and take the amount of sauce that you want, and you're going to put it on your pizza. And you're going to put that on there. That's just how much I like. You don't have to do that. It's just what I like to do. Okay. Now that we are done with that, we're going to put our cheese on there. And there we go. 1 pizza made.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, the pizzas are all done. And for mine, it's just the way that I like them. And that is my Nana. She likes a lot of cheese. And if you want, you can add meats or other stuff to your pizza. Thanks for watching the video. Bye! Make sure you subscribe and like the video at Crafting for Kids.